I'm finna die today, bro. Listen, I'm from the Caribbean, chat. I'm not built for this shit.
No.
I'm gonna go inside. Chat, I'm cooked. Go inside real quick. You're not moving. I'm scared. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh shit. Hey Google, what do I do if my hands are freezing cold?
Here's some information from the web that might possibly help. Put your hands inside clothing next to warm skin, such as rubbing them together.
Somebody call 911. Don't think I'm joking.
Yo, I'm about to go vlog outside, right? It's been snowing supposedly a lot, so let's go find out. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to show you how I'm gonna create some content. I have no idea what I'm gonna create. First, let's, change the outfit. Yo, you know what it is. You gotta step out differently, bro. I'm a content creator. I am an ambassador for Dripfinity. Video Atelier's Dripfinity program. So there's a way to be, bro. Let's go. So we better vlog as a content creator. You gotta be willing to. Let me see. Damn, is that many niggas? Shit. We'll see what I'm going. We'll see what I'm going. And I'm gonna be the drippest one, of course. We'll see what I'm going. First, we gotta analyze. We gotta analyze first. God damn. Woo. Bumba clat. Bumba clat. I. Yo. Well, good. Chilling.
Do you create a new video?
Yes. I'm vlogging right now. Yup. I ain't gonna I have no fucking ideas, bro. Let me go somewhere. Let me go down there. I'm just gonna walk down. I ain't gonna lie, fuck with it. Let me put the little shit back so I don't lose it. What up? I'm vlogging. Say what up to my vlog. Wow, God. No. I need a good ass angle shit. Yo, bomba shit. You know what it is, so let me go inside real quick, bro. My hands, bro. Go inside quickly. Oh hell nah. Bomba clat. What up, yo? Sorry, you good? Hi. You're welcome. So, test. Can you guys me type shit? Hello, Norris. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Say what up? Wow. Wow. So I'm looking for inspiration and shit because that shit is. I don't have no inspiration. I'm just walking around for real. And I don't want to lose my mic. If that mic fall in the snow right now, shit, that shit gonna be crazy. So I think, nah, it's gonna be too. My hands, bro. My hands. God damn, bro. Sure, come here. Say what up. The mic is right. Say what up.
Hello.
Wow,
Oh
bro.
shit. Hey Kim, are we gonna be famous?
Sure.
You gonna be famous today?
Definitely.
Hey, don't forget us when you're up, okay?
Yup. Wait, can I slide and take a video of me sliding down? Yeah. Hold on. Alright, bet. So how should I do it?
Okay, so you grab it on your chest, and when you have it on your chest, just throw yourself.
Damn. Hold on.
You grab it like this. You ready? And then you just.
Chat, I'm finna die today, bro. On my chest? Yo, what if my head go inside the snow?
Oh, you
Be careful because it's not gonna splash on you.
Alright, let's do it. My chest, right?
Yeah, that's so tough. That's so tough. Alright, alright. I'm gonna hold this one. Thank you. Shit, I don't have gloves, bro. I'm cool. This is the last one. Ah,
So as soon as you like go down, just throw yourself.
go down to myself.
Yeah.
I,
Oh fuck! I'm not even moving, motherfucker.
oh my god. Yeah. Oh shit. My cold, it's cold. Chat. I'm finna die today, bro. Listen, I'm from the Caribbean, chat. I'm not built for this shit.
No.
I'm gonna go inside. Shoo.
Yeah.
Hold on, chat. Let me go inside real quick. I'll come back. Alright, thank you, yo. Thank you. Holy shit. Chat, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I don't have no gloves. I don't feel my hands anymore. So I gotta go inside real quick. Oh shit, I'm cooked. I don't have my ID. I don't. You have your ID by any chance? Your ID? Can you please scan it for me? Thank you. Oh, shit, my hand's cold. I'm cooked. Thank you. Oh shit. Holy shit. That shit. Oh, I left that shit in. Alright, chat. I'm out. I don't feel my hands, bro. I never not feeling my hands like that. Oh shit. Oh shit. They're not moving. I'm scared. You see? I'm scared, bro. What should I do? And some people they be like, do not put it in hot water. Oh shit. That shit hurts. That shit hurts, chat. Oh shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I need some gloves. Now I see the reason why people wear gloves. Alright, chat. I know my room is dirty. Let me move the other side so you guys can see. I'm not, you know. Holy shit. Y'all think I'm joking? Bro. Oh my god. And the funny thing is, I'm gonna go back outside. You know, it's like as a kid, when you did something dangerous and it was fun, that's the feeling that I'm getting right now. Right now, I don't have no hands. I think that shit's dangerous. Somebody call 911. Oh shit. That shit was fun, bro. Hopefully she was recording. If she wasn't recording, I'm cooked. Let me go check. Chat. Oh my god. That shit is hurting, bro. I'm not even joking. Oh shit. Oh, what do I do? Hey Google, what do I do if my hands are freezing cold?
Here's some information from the web that might possibly help. On the website myhelp.alberta.ca, they say, wave your arms in a circular motion to force blood out into your hands. Blow warm air onto cold hands. Tuck your hands inside clothing next to warm skin, such as your chest, belly, or armpit. Warm your hands by running warm, not hot, water over them or rubbing them together.
Oh, I'm not built for this, bro. God damn. Outside all day, my hands be cold, but this one is different. I think this is the last stage. What the hell? Ah, it's getting better though. Holy shit. This type of pain is different. I can't explain it, bro. When I was a kid, I broke my arm, right? And I fixed it. I see the bone was misplaced, like right here. I see the thing poking out the skin. It wasn't bleeding, but I can see the bone. I fix it just to show you how I'm used to pain. I don't, but this one, bumper clot. I'm in pain, G. Yo, that was dangerous. I could have lost fingers, bro. Yo, I still. Oh shit. Chat. I don't think I'm going outside again without gloves. Alright, that's the end of the vlog, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done.